Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the game version and any mods won't change coordinate behavior. That avoids confusing offsets. Next, open your Starship menu and bring up the galaxy map right away so you can see system names. Once the map is visible, switch into the full galaxy view and enable any coordinate overlay or HUD option. This ensures you'll see glyphs or numeric strings. Make sure to pause action and stabilize your position before moving to the next step. You now target the star or waypoint you want and zoom in until the system's glyphs or numeric coordinates appear. Clarity is crucial. Then read the three-part coordinate string or the full glyph sequence, taking care to record each segment in order because the sequence matters for linking. Once done, note the galaxy name and any region or center offset displayed. These modifiers affect whether the coordinate points to the intended system. Keep a stable reference so you don't miscopy digits. You finish by exporting the coordinates into a safe note, and then testing by warping to a nearby system before committing to long jumps. This verifies accuracy. Make sure to compare the arrival coordinates with your recorded string and account for portal glyph versus warp numeric differences, since those use different encodings. If things go wrong, suspect mods, a changed galaxy, or a transcription error, check each in turn and recopy the sequence slowly to eliminate mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.